Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Samatha Learn and Grow. In this video we are going to do Vedic max addition by carrying double digits. In the before video we have done double digits plus single digit. Today we are going to do double digits. Okay. For example, I am having 37 plus 47. Okay, first what I said, whenever we are doing addition in Vedic max we have to do from left side to right side. Whatever the subtraction also same way. Okay, left side to right side. So first what is 3 plus 4, it's 7, right? Okay, let it be, don't write here. Okay, next let us add 7 plus 7. What is 7 plus 7? 14. Don't write directly 14, you just write end digit of 14 first, and the tens place value of 14 is 1, that you have to write little small. And 3 plus 4 is what? 7, right? So you have to add these both and make it as 80. 84. Answer is what? 84. Got it, friends? Yeah, one more I am going to show you. 55 plus 28 is equal to 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, don't write, let it be as it is. 5 plus 8 is 13. So in 13 you have to write end digit first, and the tens place value 1 you have to write little bit small, and 5 plus 2 is 7, right? So what is the answer now? You have to add this both and make it as 8, and the answer is 83. Okay, let us do the next one. 47 plus 25. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, don't write. 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, I'll write end digit of 2 here, and the tens place value of 12 is 1. Okay, 1 plus 6, 7. What is the answer now? 72. Make it easy like this. 39 plus 36. 3 plus 3 is 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. So don't write 6. Now 9 plus 6 is 15, right? So end digit of 15 is 5, and the tens place value of 15 is 1, and that 1 you have to add to the 3 plus 3. 6 already we have added, right? That you have to keep in the mind. And 6 plus 1 is 7. 75. In that way you have to do. Next, 56 plus 25. 5 plus 2 is 7. 6 plus 5 is 11. I'll write end digit of 11 first, and 5 plus 2 is 5 plus 2 is 7. So I'll add the remaining 1 tens place value 1 I will add to the 7 and make it as 8. 81. 38 plus 26. 3 plus 2 is 5. 8 plus 6 is 14. I'll write end digit of 14 here, 4 here, and 1 little small, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 64. Got it, friends? In this way we have to do addition. First you have to add the left side values like tens place values first, and keep it in the mind, and go to the ones place values, add them, and the tens place value you have to write little small in this way and add to the before number. Then it will become easy for you to add. This is the method you have to do addition by carrying in Vedic max, and the addition sutra name is called Sankalanam. Okay friends, done with the video. In the next video we are going to learn another method. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you. Bye.